Hello friends, today we will introduce the concept of class 10th chapter 6 theorems which will come in your exam of 4 marks. Before telling about theorems, firstly I want to tell about similarity. In general language, similar means if one thing is as similar to other thing. But in triangles, if two triangles are similar, suppose triangle ABC and triangle DEF, then we will write similar by this symbol. This is known as a similarity. If two triangles are similar, then it means it can be possible by two properties. First one is if we are able to these two angles, कि two angles are equal. Especially suppose if we are able कि angle A is equal to angle D या angle V is equal to angle E या any other angle C is equal to angle F. If you are saying कि two angles are equal, then these two triangles must be similar. या any other thing we can say, if two angles are equal and side is between them is in proportional, then these two triangles are similar. Now, if two triangles are similar, then by this conclusion you will say कि A is equal to your corresponding angle which is on same place. This is equal to D, B is equal to E, angle C is equal to angle F. Means always you will consider that angle which is on same place in other triangle. Suppose A on same place D. So these angles will be equal if two triangles are similar. And if this thing कि angles will be equal. Second, sides will be proportional to each other. Means AB upon DE, BC upon EF, AC upon DF. Means all the sides with the corresponding sides will be proportional. Now I hope you are getting. Similarity is that in which these are not exact equal, they are similar. Now we are discussing the examples and with the help of theorems. Your first question is BPT theorem. It is known as basic proportionality theorem. Other name is BPT. या you can say Thales theorem. Sometimes it is given कि write the या proof the basic proportionality theorem या BPT theorem या Thales. Sometimes you have given this type of statement, but in one time I have seen in 1 mark it is given कि write the statement of BPT theorem. Then you have to write. Firstly, before doing the theorem, remember this: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle, एक लाइन को ट्राइंगल की एक साइड के क्या किया गया है, पैरेलल ड्रॉ, और वो ऐसे पैरेलल की है कि वो दो जो दूसरी साइड्स हैं, अदर टू लाइंस है जो उनको इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है. इंटरसेक्ट मीन्स कट कर रही है. देन इट डिवाइड्स द टू साइड्स इन सेम रेशो. अकॉर्डिंग टू योर गिवन स्टेटमेंट, it is given कि this triangle is ABC is your triangle. We have drawn a line DE which is parallel to one side of triangle, and this line, this side is dividing the other two sides in equal ratio. You have to prove. Means AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. You have to prove, and you have given कि this is a triangle. The one line is parallel to this triangle side. Means DE we have drawn ourselves which is parallel to one side of triangle. You have to prove which is intersecting the lines. You have to prove the ratio is equal. Now what are we doing? Construction we will do कि join BE and CD. One thing. Secondly, we have drawn perpendicular EF on AB and DG on AC. EF we drawn perpendicular on AB, DG we have drawn perpendicular on AC. After that, if you know कि EF is perpendicular on AB, then EF is the height of ADE also and BDE also. Means EF is the height of this triangle also and BDE also, because in this triangle this is also working as a height. However, it is outside, no problem, because perpendicular can be anywhere we can draw, just like this. Then what can you say? This is a height. Similarly, in this manner, this is a triangle, we have drawn a height here. So EF is working as a height of both triangle ADE and BDE. Now we will take the ratio of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE. Means in 1 to above 1, then we are taking the area of triangle BDE. One side we are taking, means this one and this one in ratio. You know what is the area of triangle? Half into base into height. Firstly, I am writing of above one. Half is base is AD, height is EF. Why we are taking AD as base? Because EF is perpendicular on AD. So AD is working as a base. Now in triangle BDE, half into BD into EF. I told EF is working as a height in both. They both will cancel and only left AD upon BD. I kept it as a 1. Now I have taken on other side. Means area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE. Means area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE. Firstly we have taken this side, now we are taking this side. Only this area is replaced by CD. We are taking half into what is base for this AE. What is base here? DG. Yes, now we are taking base AE, then DG is height. And for downside triangle is, what is the base? CE, the EC, what is the height? DG. Half half cancel, DG will cancel, only left AE upon EC. Now you were thinking, see, in these two, above one both are equal, means numerator is equal, but downside is not equal. Now see, BDE and CDE, both triangles are equal. What's the reason? Yes, because these triangles are having same base. Which base? DE is coming in both triangles and same parallels. In class 9th we have done, if two triangles are having same base and same parallel, then area will be equal. So in next step I will put in the place of BDE. If I put here, then both triangle will be equal. If left side will be equal, then your right will also be equal. So you want to prove this thing only, कि ratio will be equal, and you are getting AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. So in this manner we got these two sides ratio is equal. Now converse of BPT means its converse. Converse means that is given, now you have to prove, and that you had proved, now you will take it given. If a line divides any two sides of triangle in same ratio, then the line must be parallel to third side. It is given now कि sides ratio is equal, but you have to prove it is parallel to third side. In that question parallel is given, you have proved it ratio will be equal. Now I have taken, this is given to you, you have to prove it. Now suppose we are doing कि DF is parallel to BC and DE is not parallel to BC. Means contradiction we are taking कि DE is not parallel to BC but DF is parallel to BC. If DF is parallel to BC, then by BPT theorem you know AD upon DB, AF upon FC. Why we have taken? This is your BPT theorem. If any line is parallel to another line of triangle, then its ratio will be equal. Now from first and second you will see left side is equal, then it means right will also be equal. Then I have taken. Then after adding 1 on both sides. This you know, if two parts are equal, if we do anything there, then it will also be equal. I added 1 on both sides, then I have taken LCM by keeping 1 here. EC, AE kept same, plus EC will go there. Similarly here AE plus EC, see here AE plus EC, AE plus EC will become your AC, and I put, and EC will keep it same. Now again AF plus FC, AC same I put, upon FC same, both will cancel. So it means these parts are also equal. It means E and F are not different points, they are same, they coincide with each other. It means DF and DE are same lines. If points are same, so it means lines are same, so DE is parallel to BC, so hence proved. Got? Means we have taken ki this is not, but it's a contradiction. We have proved ki both are equal, so these lines are parallel to each other. Now next theorem is area of similar triangle. By this name also, this is very much important. Sometimes the statement can be given. What is a statement? Sometimes it is given ki write the statement and proof area of similar triangles. Then you will do this. The ratio of area of two similar triangles are equal to the ratio of square of any two corresponding sides. Means दो similar triangles हमें given है, area of two similar triangles, दो triangle क्या दे रखे हैं हमें, similar, और अब प्रूफ क्या करना है कि उन दोनों की एरियाज़ की रेशो मीन्स ओवर इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ कोरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स. कोरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स कौन सी होती हैं? एज वी नो, ऑन सेम प्लेस, इफ ए बी देन डी ई, बी सी अपॉन ई एफ, ए सी अपॉन डी एफ. वाई नाउ यू आर थिंकिंग वाई आई हैव टेकन स्क्वायर? इट इज़ गिवन, you have to prove it. Now I make these two triangles ABC and DEF, where I constructed AL is perpendicular on BC and DM is perpendicular on EF. It's my construction. You have to prove it, and this is given to you. And you know, if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal, and the ratio of the corresponding sides will also be equal. Yes, I have done this thing. These two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are also equal, and the ratio of the corresponding sides are also equal. Now we have taken these two triangles ALB and DEM. Yes, in triangle ALB and triangle DME, one thing, to angle B is equal to angle E. Why? Because we have given these two triangles are equal and similar. Then second one is we have constructed ki angle L and angle M is 90 degree. So that's why only. If you have two conditions, you are able to find two angles are equal, then these two triangles are similar. By which rule? AA rule. And if you have done this part, it means you can write the corresponding ratio of the sides will be equal. AL upon DM, LB upon ME, AB upon DE. Means this is known as CPST. This is known as CPST. I have taken it as a second part. Now from first and second part, we can say AB upon DE is equal to AL upon DM, and third one I have taken is equal to this, because this part is given to you equal to this, then all parts will also be equal. Now according to your proving part, I have taken the area of these two triangles that you have to prove. Yes, now you know half into base into height. What is base in triangle ABC? BC is base, height is AL. And in this triangle, what is base? EF, and DM is your height. These two will cancel. BC upon EF same. AL upon DM, you can write it what? BC upon EF. So it will become your square. But you know this thing कि these triangles ratio of the sides are equal. So all sides we can say. You have to prove this because you have to prove कि corresponding sides square is equal to their areas. Similarly, we have done the help of using first we have proved. I hope you are getting. Next question is the area of two similar triangles are in the ratio of squares of corresponding altitudes. In that part we proved by corresponding sides. Now you have to prove by corresponding altitudes. Yes, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AL is perpendicular on BC and DM is perpendicular on EF. We have constructed. Why? Because altitude is given there. You have to prove it. So in proof you want area of similar triangles are in the ratio of square of corresponding altitudes. What is your altitude? AL and DM. Square you have to prove. Now this is given कि these two triangles are similar, then it means their corresponding angles are also equal and corresponding sides ratio will also be equal. Now I have taken these two triangles. Here angle L equal to angle M, that is 90. Angle B is equal to angle E, that is given. Now it means you can say these two triangles are also similar by AA rule. So if you have proved these triangles are similar, then you can write the corresponding sides ratio will also be equal. Firstly first two, then second third, then first third. Now you will take the area that you have to prove. Half into base into height, half into base into height. Half will cancel. BC upon EF you can write what? You know कि this part is equal to what? This is equal to BC upon EF. But BC upon EF is equal to BL upon EM and AL upon DM. You can replace this thing with this because all are equal. With the help of this it came here, so it means this can be replaced by this. One to already there, second we have taken from here with the help of this, so it will become your square. This is the altitude that you have to prove. Now next is the area of two similar triangles are in the ratio of square of corresponding medians. In first part we proved by sides, then in second altitude, third is your median. Median you know which divides the base into two equal parts. Now firstly we will take this concept. Triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal and sides will be proportional. You have to prove medians AP square upon DQ square. But BP is equal to PC, EQ is equal to FC. Why? Because these are the medians. So we can write to BP and PC half of BC. And in this question, to this part, we can write 2 BP upon 2 EQ. Why? Because double of that is full. It will be cancelled. So BC is equal to BP upon EQ is equal to AB upon DE. Because this part is already equal to this, so we can change with anyone. Now we are taking these two triangles, this one and this one. Why we are using? Because you have to prove this whole square. Now first one is angle B is equal to angle E, given. Second is BP upon EQ is equal to AB upon DE. Yes, now what I have done, one angle I have proved, this is equal, and the corresponding sides of that angle, this side upon this side upon this, means SAS, means in that sides angle will be contained. This is known as what? This is known as triangles are similar, SAS. Yes. So after that you can write the corresponding sides ratio will be equal because you have proved this. Then by the area of similar triangles you can replace this value. You can this value prove here this one. Why you were thinking why I changed? You know, if two triangles are similar then the ratio of side of square will be equal to areas. You have done in this part, na? We have done here. Two similar triangles is equal to square of their corresponding sides. And triangles are what? This is our similar given to you. Then we have taken ourselves. We will put this part is equal to this because we have proved. I replace it by this. So I hope you are getting. If two triangles are similar then the corresponding sides ratio will also be equal. By using I proved it by its medians. Now next is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is that theorem we are using from 7th standard. But now we will prove how it came. In right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Means triangle ABC is given and angle is 90. And you have to prove कि hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. मीन्स हाइपोटेन्यूज का जो स्केयर है वो किसके इक्वल दिखाना है हमको, दूसरी जो साइड्स बच की उनके स्केयर के. हमने खुद कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लिया. पहले तो हमने ये ट्राइंगल ले लिया ABC जिसमें हमारे को B गिवन है 90 डिग्री. आई प्रूव्ड. नाउ वी हैव टेकन कि BD इज़ परपेंडिकुलर ऑन AC. BD इज़ परपेंडिकुलर ऑन AC. After that I have taken the triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Two triangle I have taken, the small one, एक big one, where angle A is common in both. Angle D is 90 in small triangle and in big B is 90. In the help of AA similarity I proved these two triangles are similar. Then I take AD upon AB, AB upon AC. Then I multiplied. My motive is to take the ratio in that manner कि I got the square of the given triangle because you want this. That's why I kept. Firstly I have taken AB, then in that manner I take AB. In this manner I got. Now I will take this small triangle and with the full. Firstly I take this triangle with the full. Now I take this triangle with the full. Same condition, angle C is common in both. D is 90 with B. Same here. I try to make BC square here. एक तो BC upon AC, एक DC upon BC. In this manner I got BC square. My motive is to make a square of that side I want. By first and second adding first and second AB square plus BC square. And this part I keep it same, but you will observe AC can be taken common. DC plus AD left. DC plus AD. What is becoming? AC. So AC square you got, you have to prove it. Hence proved. Now last theorem is converse of Pythagoras. In triangle ABC, if square of one side is equal to sum of square of other two sides, then angle is right angle. Means here it is given कि squares one side is equal to sum of square of other two sides, but you have to prove this angle is 90. In construction part we are taking कि this side is equal to this side is equal to this, and this angle is 90. We have supposed ourselves in construction this side is equal to this, and this angle is 90 degree. In this triangle one angle is 90, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. DF square equal to DE square plus EF square, and you can replace DE to AB, EF you can replace BC, but this part is equal to what? AC square. It means square can be cancelled. DF is equal to AC. Now if I am taking these two triangles, this side is equal to this side is equal to this, and third side I have proved above, then these two triangles are congruent by triple S rule because sides are equal. Then by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, if angle B is equal to angle E, we can say, but angle E is your 90, so V will also be 90. It means you got that you have to prove. This is the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, I hope you are getting. Before doing any question, remember these theorems. These are very much helpful to do 6th chapter also. Thank you. Have a nice day.